Okay, everybody, welcome back. So this time I was thinking that we would now try to press all the buttons here on the home screen, on the home page, and see what we can do. Now, specifically not signing in or signing up. So let's say I'm a guy, I just come to Mercava, I don't know what it's about, I just want to check it out, or I don't feel like signing into another website. I just want to like see what they have without any commitment. And guess what? You can do that. So let's see what we can do here. I'm actually discovering some stuff here on my own as well for the first time because I've had an account for many years. And so I'm not really familiar with what it's like to not have an account, but I do know that there are certain limitations, things you can't do. But let's see the things you can do first of all. So let's start over here with the books. So the book icon, we click on that, we get to go to the books. It looks like we can probably go everywhere in the books. Yeah, there's the arrow. Okay, good. We can say everything. Great. We're not going to go through this. This will be another time we'll explore all of this. Okay, let's see. There. Oh, look, it lit up again. Okay, then we saw the sign in, sign up last time. So now we're going to look at the language thing. Now watch this. This is cool. I actually just tried this out myself for the first time. And watch this. So interface, Hebrew, watch this. Bam. Whoa, hello. Bright light. Boom. Now, oh, everything's in Hebrew. Isn't that cool? Even, I think, all of this too, right? Yeah, wow, amazing. Okay, but that's not the point right now. The point is just to look at the homepage here, and look, everything is turned into Hebrew, and everything is going to be Hebrew. Look, even sign up sign up and hitchaber. So, okay, so let's go back to English, and we will hit Ishur, which will allow us to go back. So change. That's great. Okay, and then book menu. That will probably only happen when we go to the book menu, unless they take us there. Let's see what happens there. Bing, everything in Hebrew. Cool. Okay, let's put that back to English. Boom, and then translations. Yeah, we might as well do it. Let's see. I think Hebrew translations, though, might right now only apply to the Gemara, maybe probably just Gemara. Let's click on today's daf. Let's see what happens here. Okay, yeah, look at that. Cool Hebrew translation. Nice. And now let's go back there and put it back to English. Actually, remember we saw this actually a few times ago. You can actually change the language also down here in the little tray that pops up. Okay. Listen, I guess since we're here, let's look at this for a second. Okay, remember again, we have not signed in or signed up. See? Okay, we are just a guest who's coming in. It looks like somehow instantly the wonderful highlighting, what do you call it, markup app has actually shown up here to view. And so look, as we go along, look down at the bottom here, look over here, down here, you're going to see this move as we change colors, right? And now we know this phrase and that is an attacker, this series of phrases. We know the next series of phrases are defenses, right? Then back to a statement. Isn't that nice? So even if you have not signed up, you can still check this out in terms of have access to the highlighting. Okay, there's also, let's see if we can do single here. We can also go, oh nice, you can see the highlighting as single elements, which is really nice. So even if, let's say you're a teacher actually, and you're doing this on Zoom and you want to show your students, you want to go through, you can still do this, which is pretty nice. I know the Zoom thing is happening a lot lately. Let's see, multiple, what happens with multiple. Oh, it adds on. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Adds on. You still go phrase by phrase, and you also have the entire section of the thing showing up. So this is an excellent learning tool, an excellent teaching tool. Okay, so this is everything you can do. It's called the Shaklavataria within the what do you call it? The markup app. Okay, and then if we go to clear, oh, all clear. Nothing selected. I just hope it didn't like clear everything. Okay, good. Okay, and then we'll just go back to all, and we have the whole thing. Beautiful. Okay, this is going a bit long, but I want to let's go back to the home page. Let's see, homepage, there we go. Okay, and let's go to the weekly Parasha now, and let's see all the things you can get here. Okay, it happens to be that now we're looking at this as in I think what's called the Perek view. Okay, and if we click on this, look at translation, everything you get everywhere else. Okay, no limitations here, I believe.
You can also see this actually in the Torah Daf with the Rashi and Onkelos here. Look at that, Onkelos Rashi al Minukad as well. We can actually take out the vowels, add the vowels. For the Tanakh, we can remove the ta'amim. We can put the vowels back in there. Isn't that great? Tav Rashi, like we have in Gemara, back to that. Okay, good. Translation levels. Okay, good. Yeah, we can do all that. Okay, and Hebrew, we could do that, but I don't think we have a Hebrew translation right now yet, like a simple Hebrew translation. You can do word navigation also. Fantastic. Okay. Oh, this is really cool as well. So we have the Surah Daf view, we have the parak view, and then we also have the one line view. This is awesome. Look at that. Ah, beautiful. This is really beautiful. This is great for teaching. If you just want to do one pasuk at a time, brilliant. You can also highlight if you want to do grammar. It's great for markup for grammar, which we'll deal with another time. Also here the commentaries are also available, which is excellent. Let's see. Okay, if you guys haven't seen this yet, we're not going to get in depth in this, but basically you can see what the commentaries are. We'll do an in-depth of Tanakh another time, and also an in-depth of the Daf Yomi Gemara another time as well. So I think that'll probably do it for us right now. I'm fairly happy with what we've seen. Let's see if we can go back to the homepage. Okay, maybe not. Oh, that's probably how we can do it. No, okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Actually, probably if we refresh, we'll get to do it. Super. No, okay, whatever. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. And next time we will, let's see, I think we'll either go more into the Gemara or we'll go more into the Tanakh Chumash. Actually, no, you know what we'll do? We'll do the, we'll look at all the different apps in the app bar. Okay, talk to you later. Bye bye.